All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm telling you, I'm trying to get these videos out there, okay? I do too much to not put it out there, but it just takes so much time trying to record as well as life happening, okay? There's a story behind this video, but maybe that's another time, okay? If y'all like to know how life as an entrepreneur really goes, comment in this video because, baby, life is life in a system right now. But that's nor here nor there, okay? So we are making, I'm gonna say Dollar Tree centerpieces because the majority of the items I did get from Dollar Tree, and you could get more items. When I say more items, I'm say florals because I didn't get too many florals from Dollar Tree because it's florals that I had already ordered and florals that I had already had. And I just, didn't get many florals from Dollar Tree. So let me just do a rundown real quick. My hot glue gun is heating up, so hot glue gun is what you're gonna need. I got these bowls. They're just white breakfast bowls. They're plastic. I actually went into Dollar Tree with the intent on getting the clear glass bowls, but they only had 2. I need 9, so yeah. But it also worked out. These are pretty good bowls, and they 2 in a pack, so 2 for $125. So that's actually awesome. Got some styrofoam rounds. I'm gonna keep them just like this in the pack because I want the flowers to have some height when they're in the bowl and not, real flush to the bowl. I got some stones because, like I said, it is for an outdoor event. So I want the centerpieces to have some weight to it, which is also another reason why I kind of wanted the glass bowls, because, the glass bowls have a little bit of weight to it, plus a little bit of added stone that would have really had some weight to it. So, but I still think this will come out fine. So I got some stones to put some weight to it. These flowers I did get from the Dollar Tree. And then I did get, if you can see off to the side, a few of these really cute and colorful candles, because this event should be going into the nighttime. The sun should be going down, which is actually the theme of the event is sundresses and sunset, or is it the other way around? Sunset and sundresses. I'm not quite sure. So I got that. Those are definitely look cute. These flowers I had just got from my local party store. I was just in there and they just caught my eye and I like them. These are yellow baby's breath. These are fuchsia hydrangeas. I got these 2 from Amazon. And these I had in the house already. Also, I threw another bag over here because I also had another bag of flowers that's just in the house that I'm going to use as well. Like, why not, really, right? So I have these as well. So yes, I'm gonna be using these as well. I'm using all the flowers, okay? All the flowers I got. And yeah, so I'm gonna let my glue gun heat up just a little bit more, and then I'll come back on when I start to put it together. You are gonna, of course, need scissors or some wire cutters. I do have those somewhere. Just gotta get them, or I'll just use regular scissors. All right, guys, so what I'm about to do, I'm just going to go through and cut all the flowers. I'm not gonna record that. So I'm gonna go through, cut all the flowers. Make sure you leave the greenery. Okay, 1, it's pretty, and 2, it takes up space, okay? It's a filler. So I'm gonna go through and cut all of the flowers, and then I'll be back. All you want is the same thing. Yeah.
10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn. Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You play me.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face in action. These days, oh my yeah, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die.